Dawn breaks over Bluebell Hollow as the crew rounds up the flock and checks irrigation before the sun climbs. A rookie learns resilience when the rain gauge overflows, turning the barnyard into a splash parade patiently. A rescued goat becomes the day's unofficial notebook, nudging schedules and teaching patience as neighbors swap stories. Lunch arrives with laughter as the family shares bread, and the kids test garden science by measuring sprouts. Dusk cools the air, and the day ends with a small triumph coaxing irrigation back to life for tomorrow.